there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to another delicious episode of Foodhistorian. Today, we're diving into the bubbling world of hot pot. Have you ever wondered how this communal cooking method, where diners cook a variety of ingredients in a simmering pot of broth, became such a beloved dining experience? Well, subscribe and buckle up because we're about to take you on a journey from ancient China to the present, uncovering the savory history of hot pot. Now, let's rewind the culinary clock and delve deeper into the ancient origins of hot pot, where its story begins amidst the windswept steppes and vibrant marketplaces of ancient China. Picture this: the Tang Dynasty, a time of cultural exchange and innovation. Nomadic Mongolian horsemen, accustomed to the challenges of the open plains, found a unique solution to cook their food. Legend has it that they would repurpose their helmets, filling them with broth and placing them over an open flame. Yes, you heard it right. Helmets turned into impromptu cookware. This ingenious method not only satisfied their hunger but laid the groundwork for what we now know as the communal dining experience of hot pot. Over time, as this culinary tradition made its way from the nomadic steppes to settled communities, the concept of hot pot transformed into a communal feast for all. Families and friends gathered around a bubbling cauldron, placing various ingredients into the pot to share and savor together. The simmering broth became a symbol of togetherness, a ritual that transcended mere sustenance. It was during these gatherings that the foundations of modern hot pot were laid. A feast that wasn't just about the food, but the shared experience. As the concept spread across different regions of China, the flavors of hot pot diversified. In Sichuan, known for its bold and spicy cuisine, the broth took on a fiery character with the addition of Sichuan peppercorns and a medley of aromatic spices. The result? The famous Sichuan hot pot, renowned for its tongue-tingling, numbing sensation that has captured the hearts and taste buds of food enthusiasts worldwide. So, as we savor our modern hot pot experiences, let's tip our hats, or helmets, to those adventurous horsemen of ancient China. They inadvertently set in motion a culinary odyssey that has withstood the sands of time, connecting generations through the shared joy of communal cooking. Now let's fast forward to the present day and explore how hot pot, once a well-guarded secret of Chinese dining, embarked on a journey across borders, evolving into a global gastronomic sensation. Picture this: from the vibrant streets of Beijing to the cosmopolitan neighborhoods of New York, hot pot has transcended cultural boundaries, bringing people together in the most delicious way possible. As the world became more interconnected, so did our palates. Hot pot underwent a fascinating transformation, adapting to local tastes and ingredients in every corner of the globe. In Japan, hot pot took on the elegant form of shabu-shabu, where thinly sliced meat is swirled in a simmering broth before being dipped into delectable sauces. It's a culinary dance that captures the essence of Japanese precision and refinement. And who can forget the aromatic and spicy tom yum hot pot in Thailand, where the broth is infused with lemongrass, galangal, and fiery chilies, creating an explosion of flavors that Thai cuisine is known for. These international variations not only pay homage to the roots of hot pot, but also showcase the incredible adaptability of this communal cooking method. What's truly remarkable is how hot pot acts as a culinary ambassador, fostering cultural exchange and understanding. In multicultural cities around the world, friends from different backgrounds gather around a bubbling pot, sharing stories and flavors. It's a melting pot of cultures, quite literally. The communal nature of hot pot transcends language barriers, creating bonds that go beyond the dining table. But our hot pot journey doesn't stop there. With the rise of technology, we've witnessed a new wave of innovation in the hot pot experience. Some restaurants now boast automated conveyor belts, delivering fresh ingredients right to your table, while others offer interactive screens for crafting your personalized broth and dipping sauces. It's a fusion of tradition and technology, ensuring that the hot pot experience remains exciting and accessible to food enthusiasts around the world. Now let's fast forward to the present and take a closer look at how hot pot has seamlessly woven itself into the fabric of modern culture. From cutting-edge technology to trendy dining experiences, hot pot is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of innovation and togetherness. In today's bustling metropolises, traditional hot pot has undergone a high-tech makeover. Imagine sitting down at a sleek table with a built-in touchscreen, where you can customize your broth, select your favorite ingredients, and even control the temperature of your personal pot. Welcome to the future of hot pot dining. The interactive nature of these modern setups not only adds a dash of excitement, but also caters to the individual preferences of diners, making the experience truly personalized. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Some restaurants have taken it a step further, introducing conveyor belts that deliver a constant flow of fresh ingredients right to your table. It's like a culinary parade, allowing you to pick and choose your next delicious addition. The conveyor belt experience has become a hit, especially among those who love the thrill of trying new ingredients without leaving their seats. Now let's talk about the social media phenomenon that's taken hot pot to new heights. Challenges. In the age of Instagram and TikTok, people love to share their culinary adventures, and hot pot has become a star in many online challenges. Whether it's attempting the spiciest hot pot or creating artful arrangements of ingredients, social media has turned hot pot into a canvas for creativity and community. It's not just about eating, it's about sharing the experience with a global audience. Have you ever participated in a hot pot challenge? If not, maybe it's time to gather your friends, set up the pot, and join the hot pot challenge. Who knows, your creation might just go viral. Now, let's talk about hot pot festivals. Yes, you heard it right. Festivals dedicated entirely to the art of hot pot. These events bring together foodies, chefs, and enthusiasts to celebrate the diverse world of hot pot. From themed decorations to live cooking demonstrations, hot pot festivals are a feast for the senses. They not only showcase the rich history of this communal cooking method, but also provide a platform for culinary innovation and experimentation. Chefs from around the world gather to present their unique twists on the classic dish, turning hot pot into a culinary spectacle that goes beyond the traditional flavors. And there you have it, food enthusiasts. The rich and savory history of hot pot, from its humble beginnings in ancient China to its global prominence today. So, the next time you gather around a simmering pot with friends and family, remember, you're not just enjoying a meal, you're participating in a tradition that has withstood the test of time. If you enjoyed this journey through culinary history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, let us know in the comments what dish you'd like us to explore next on Food Storian. Until next time, keep exploring the delicious tapestry of food history.